Add the flour and baking powder to a bowl and mix. Heat the milk until warm. Add yeast and mix. Let the mixture sit for 10 minutes until it foams. Add the yellow sugar and vegetable oil. Stir until combined. Add the wet ingredients to a large mixing bowl and add in your dry ingredients. Combine with your hands. Once all the ingredients come together, dump the dough onto a floured surface and knead for 10 minutes. Add more flour if the dough seems too wet. The dough has been kneaded enough if you poke the dough and it slowly springs back at you. Once done, transfer it to an oiled bowl and cover it. Let it rise in a warm place for an hour. Boil your eggs and peel them. Slice your lap cheong. Combine ground pork, wood ear mushrooms, minced yellow onion, fish sauce, oyster sauce, salt, pepper, and sugar. Divide into 16 equal balls. Divide the risen dough into 16 equal pieces. Roll out each piece into a thin circle that is 4.5 inches in diameter. The outer edges should be thinner than the center. Make sure the center is not too thin. Add a piece of pork filling, a piece of lap cheong, and an egg to the center of a disc of dough. Envelope the filling with the outer edges of the dough. Fold and crimp the dough until it completely covers the filling. Place each bun on a piece of parchment paper. Bring water to a simmer in a steamer and add a dash of vinegar. Steam the buns for 15-17 minutes.